In this video, we want to prove that the set of real numbers R is uncountable. Instead, what we're going to do is show that the interval from 0 to 1 is uncountable. Since 0 to 1 is a subset of the real numbers, anything bigger than an uncountable set will also be uncountable. So let's pretend that it's countable, and that means that we can write out all numbers in that interval. So we'll say R1, R2, R3, etc. R1 is the first number, which we say we can represent it as 0.A11, A12, A13, etc. The second number, R2, is 0.A21, A22, A23. And R3 is 0.A31, A32, A33, etc. So we'll do that for every number in the sequence, or in the interval. And then we're going to construct a new number. So the new number, we'll just call it 0.B1, B2, B3. And we're going to choose the digits such that B1 represents the first number in the first digit in the first number. So that's A11. So if A11 is equal to 1, then we're going to say this is 2. So if this is 1, then we'll call this 2. If A11 is not 1, let's say it's 7, then we'll say that B1 is 1. So whatever the case is, A11 and B1 are not going to be the same, which means that X cannot be equal to R1. Okay, so then we go to the second number. So the second number is 0.A21, A22, A23, etc. We're going to look at the second number here. So second digit, second number, R2 of the second digit. If A22 is 1, then this becomes 2 again. If A22 is not 1, let's say it's 9, then B2 is 1. So either way, R2 and X are not going to be the same. And then we move on to the third digit, or third number, and the third digit here. If A33 is 1, then we're going to pick a different number. Let's say this will be 2. If A33 is not equal to 1, let's say it's 4, then this is going to equal to 1. So whatever case this is, whatever A33 is, B3 is going to be different. So therefore, R3 and X are not going to be the same. So we continue this logic for all the numbers in between 0 to 1. And we'll see that we get a different number. So X is a completely different number from the list. So that contradicts what we have. So then that means that we found a number that should appear in the list, but is not. So that must mean that 0 and 1, in 0 and 1, and hence R is uncountable.